It's Thursday. If this week has felt full, give yourself 5 quiet minutes to soften, restore, and reconnect with your inner strength. You don't need to earn rest, and there is nothing wrong with needing a pause. Let me repeat that and let that settle in. You don't need to earn rest. It's okay to pause, to rest. This morning is about kindness, the kindness that strengthens you from within. When you practice self-compassion, your nervous system shifts into recovery. Your body softens, your energy returns, your mind becomes clearer. Let's return to the natural rhythm, gently, together. Find a position that feels calm and supported. Let your body settle naturally. Your hands can rest in your lap or by your side, whatever feels most easeful today. When you're ready, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze if that feels better for now. Let's begin with a few slow, full breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold softly at the top. And exhale with ease through your mouth. Again, inhale calm. Hold. Exhale spaciousness. One more time. Inhale deeply and exhale everything out. Allow it to carry you gently, smoothly. Now bring your awareness to your body. Feel the weight of your arms, your legs, the natural rhythm inside your chest. Soften your forehead. Relax your jaw. Let your shoulders melt downward. And feel the whole body resting with your next breath. Begin to feel appreciation for this body, for all the ways it carries you, for how it listens, for how it always returns you to the present. Take a few breaths to thank your body inwardly. Inhale respect. Exhale softness. Inhale care. Exhale gratitude. Now picture a version of you from the past, a younger self, or a recent self who did their best with what they knew. See them clearly, calm, relaxed, cared for. Say silently, I'm proud of you. I see how far you've come. Again, You are safe. You are supported. You are still growing. Let those words ripple through your breath and into your chest. Let your entire body receive them. Now bring to mind a gentle phrase of encouragement for yourself today. Try, I move with kindness. Or maybe, I trust my timing. Or even, I carry softness and strength. Whatever feels right. Breathe it in. Let it settle inside of you like sunlight. And now let's rest together for a few quiet breaths. This is your gift. Inhale slowly. Exhale gently. Inhale presence. Exhale peace. Take one final breath with full intention. Inhale deeply. Hold at the top and exhale fully through your mouth. Begin to bring awareness back to your body. Feel your fingers and toes, the softness in your face, the ease in your breath. Move slowly as you return and open your eyes when it feels natural. You gave yourself the gift of gentleness. It's already changing how today will unfold. Let your own kindness lead you in everything you do. Welcome to the shift.